Today we are going to find the values of sine 15 degree and cos 75 degree, and we are not going to use the calculator. So let's see solution. Sine 15 degree. Now sine 15 degree is same as sine 45 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, because 45 minus 30 it is 15. Now sine 45 degree minus 30 degree is equal to, this is sine 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sine 30 degree. And why this is? By using this rule, sine a minus b is equal to sine a into cos b minus cos a into sine b. Okay, now let's simplify. Now sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 into cos 30 root 3 divided by 2 minus, now cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, so is equal to, now this is root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 minus, now this is 1 upon 2 into root 2 is equal to, now this is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into root 2, and what is left hand side? It is sine 15 degree. So sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into root 2. Now part B, cos 75 degree. So part B, cos 75 degree, and this is equal to, now cos 75 means it is 45 degree plus 30 degree, and is equal to, now cos A plus B, it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, so this is cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Reason, cos A plus B is equal to, it is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay, is equal to, now cos 45, it is 1 by root 2. Okay, and what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 45, again 1 by root 2, and sin 30 it is 1 by 2, so is equal to, now this is root 3 divided by 2 into root 2 minus, this is 1 upon 2 into root 2, and is equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 into root 2, and this is value of cos 75 degree. Now you can observe that sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, and cos 75 degree is also root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into root 2. So we can conclude that, so from part A and B, we observe that sine 15 degree is equal to cos 75 degree. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thank you.